Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by locking the foundation, feet steady and midfoot engaged. First, inhale deep into your ribcage so your diaphragm presses outward. This increases intra-abdominal pressure and protects your spine. Next, brace the entire midsection, imagine tightening a belt, front and back, and hold that tension for 1 to 2 seconds before you move. Once braced, start the descent slowly. Keep the tension steady so the spine stays neutral. Make sure to cue yourself with the breath and the belt feeling. You continue by controlling the descent while preserving that internal pressure. First, push your hips back and lower with the knees tracking outward. This lets your glutes and hamstrings engage so the core isn't overloaded. Make sure your ribcage doesn't flare, maintain the brace, and a slight exhale if needed without losing tension. Once done lowering, pause briefly at the bottom to confirm the core is holding. Then drive up using hips and legs while maintaining the same tight midline, not a sudden breath rush. You finish each rep by driving to lockout while keeping the brace until you reach the top. Then exhale gradually and reset breath for the next repetition. If you notice hips collapsing or a rounded lumbar spine, reduce weight or limit depth until technique is solid. If you keep losing your breath or the brace leaks, stop, re-establish a full ribcage inhale and braced belt sensation, and only resume when consistent. The key: quality reps with maintained pressure beat heavier, sloppy sets every time.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.